Hello friends, welcome to AF channel, enjoy watching. 75% of our world is covered with water. This is quite a large proportion of oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. Have you ever wondered about these waters? Today I'm going to take you to the most invisible part of the oceans, the Mariana Trench. While thousands of climbers have successfully scaled Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, only 2 people have descended to the planet's deepest point, the Challenger Deep in the Pacific Ocean's Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific east of the Philippines and an average of approximately 124 miles, 200 kilometers, east of the Mariana Islands, the Mariana Trench is a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust that measures more than 1,500 miles, 2,550 kilometers, long and 43 miles, 69 kilometers, wide on average. The distance between the surface of the ocean and the trench's deepest point, the Challenger Deep, which lies about 200 miles, 322 kilometers, southwest of the U.S. territory of Guam, is nearly 7 miles, 11 kilometers. If Mount Everest were dropped into the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be more than a mile, 1.6 kilometers, underwater. The Mariana Trench is part of a global network of deep troughs that cut across the ocean floor. They form when 2 tectonic plates collide. At the collision point, one of the plates dives beneath the other into the Earth's mantle, creating an ocean trench. The depths of the Mariana Trench were first plumbed in 1875 by the British ship HMS Challenger as part of the first global oceanographic cruise. The Challenger scientists recorded a depth of 4,475 fathoms, about 5 miles, or 8 kilometers, using a weighted sounding rope. In 1951, the British vessel HMS Challenger II returned to the spot with an echo sounder and measured a depth of nearly 7 miles, 11 kilometers. Historic dive. Because of its extreme depth, the Mariana Trench is cloaked in perpetual darkness and the temperature is just a few degrees above freezing. The water pressure at the bottom of the trench is a crushing 8 tons per square inch, or about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Pressure increases with depth. First and only time humans descended into the Challenger Deep was more than 50 years ago. In 1960, Shark P. Graham Naval Lieutenant Don Welsh reached this goal in a U.S. Navy submersible, a bathyscaphe called the Trieste. After a 5-hour descent, the pair spent only a scant 20 minutes at the bottom and were unable to take any photographs due to clouds of silt stirred up by their passage. Until P. Graham and Welsh's historic dive, scientists had debated whether life could exist under such extreme pressure. But at the bottom, the Trieste's floodlights illuminated a creature that P. Graham thought was a flatfish, a moment that P. Graham would later describe with excitement in a book about his journey. Until P. Graham and Welsh's historic dive, scientists had debated whether life could exist under such extreme pressure. But at the bottom, the Trieste's floodlights illuminated a creature that P. Graham thought was a flatfish, a moment that P. Graham would later describe with excitement in a book about his journey. Weighing in the deep while the Trieste expedition laid to rest any doubts that life could exist in the Mariana Trench, scientists still know very little about the types of organisms that reside there. In fact, some question whether P. Graham's fish was actually a form of sea cucumber. It is thought that the pressure is so great that calcium can't exist except in solution, so the bones of vertebrates would literally dissolve. No bones, no fish. But nature has also proven scientists wrong many times in the past with its remarkable capacity for adaptation. So are there fish that deep? Nobody knows, and this is the whole point of the Deep Sea Challenge project, to find answers to such fundamental questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.